I don't get it. It's so funny. Getting first comment has been a trend on YouTube for so long. I wonder when it's gonna die. Probably never. But for the guy who got first comment, good job. My buddy James _photography just texted me and said he's got a check engine light on his Camaro, so we're gonna head over to his house and check that out. Don't worry, James, I'm coming to help out. Look at that, we got an Aventador as the album art on a Migos song. Gotta say, I'm a pretty big fan of Migos. I like that song too. I just witnessed the most reckless pass of this HRV and these bikers. They're chewing them out right now. If you're gonna pass someone, you gotta commit to it. This person went like 1 mile an hour faster than the bikers. It probably took him 25 seconds to pass, and by the time he passed, he almost got into a head-on collision with the other lane. Just floor your car. It actually can accelerate somewhat quickly if you floor it. Well, I mean, the HRV can't really accelerate quickly, but that was a weak pass. I pulled up next to them. They're really old. Hi. What's up, dude? Good to see you.
Hey, man.
Good, man. How about you?
Okay.
You got some new tires for the Camaro?
Yeah, finally.
Are they freaking
Not this.
toasted? Not that one?
Oh my God.
Are you serious?
You can see it's a bald eagle.
Oh my God. It has a bulge in it. That's not good.
No.
It's not ideal. Damn. Heck yeah. All right, time to check out this check engine light. If there is one thing every person with a car should have, it is an OBD2 scan tool. OBD2 scan tools give you peace of mind, can save you money, and prevent costly repairs. That's why I wanted to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Fixd. Simply put, Fixd is the easiest to use OBD2 scan tool on the market. It comes with this little but powerful sensor along with instructions to download an app from the App Store or Google Play. Just plug the sensor into your car's OBD2 port, and boom, you're ready to scan. Oh boy. Dude, it says your car's about to explode. Fixd translates your vehicle's issues into simple, easy to understand terms such as consequences of continued driving and severity. It provides live data and in-depth diagnostics that any car enthusiast would find helpful regardless of knowledge base. So what are you waiting for? Get the best OBD2 sensor on the market by clicking the link in the description below. Seriously, you know you don't have one, you know you need one, it's gonna save your butt, and James needs some new catalytic converters.
Guess I'm more of a dog person.
Pulling in back home. Oh yeah, wait, that'd be helpful. Oh no! My windshield has a crack in it. All right, not gonna lie, not super stoked about that. And I know that a rock didn't hit the windshield, well, you can just simply see, but apparently the same exact thing happened to Mr. Cash's 720S. Something happened where the stress of the car, the chassis is so rigid that it actually broke the windshield, and they replaced it for free, so gotta hit up McLaren and see what the heck is wrong. But we are headed to Avant-Garde Exotics to fix, well, not really fix, but sort of fix the issue with the center console, and that is that stupid little coin or whatever that got trapped in here making a oh my God, do I see it? Oh my God, I may have found it. All right, you can't really see on the camera, but right down there is the tip of a screw head. Oh my God, just like that, I think I got the problem solved. Although, of course, the second I fixed this noise, I realized that my windshield is broken. Lovely. Oh my God, the McLaren is fixed. No longer that annoying noise. Okay, I'm freaking pumped. Honestly, it was really starting to ruin the driving experience for me with the McLaren. Obviously, it's not a big deal and can be fixed super, super easily, but I don't like listening to music while I'm driving this car because I want to listen to that engine. I want to listen to the roof scoop noises and all the little just, I don't know, race car sounds that it makes. And having that over and over and over again was driving me literally insane. Time to fill up the McLaren. I am completely out of gas. This is actually the first car I have ever owned in my entire life that has the gas cap on the left side of the car. Gotta get used to that. For those curious how much it costs to fill up a McLaren with today's ridiculous gas prices, $65.20, 14.62 gallons. Well, some positive news. My friend Isaac just took delivery today of the sickest BMW M3 I have ever seen. We're gonna head to his house and go check it out because the color is incredible. Like that tow hook license plate frame holder. At least they didn't drill into your front bumper like they did on my E63.
Oh, they did that?
They did that on European delivery, just straight drilled holes into it, which was lovely. The wheels on this thing are absolutely savage. I love those. Check out the interior. Got tons of Alcantara in the M3 CS. Those seats are gorgeous. Comes standard with a DCT transmission, no manual option. Well, we got the best McLaren color next to the best new BMW color. I've never seen this. It's frozen dark blue. Looks absolutely badass. Are you freaking in love with it, dude?
Yeah, dude, I think it's sick.
And you've got what, the frozen white E92 M3?
Yeah, it's last of their kind.
You literally have the two most badass versions of M3s.
Pretty hype.
Now you just need an E30.
Yeah, right?
I am definitely going to have to do a full review on both this car, the M3 CS, and his frozen white M3. Just back-to-back final edition M3s for the E92 generation and the current generation. I think that'd be awesome. But now we're gonna go for a little cruise in it. This thing is freaking badass. These M3s are getting ridiculous in price. Remember when they were like $55,000? This might actually be the most expensive M3 ever made, brand new, $116,000. That is crazy. 20 miles on the dash. And there's the beautiful frozen white M3. The interior of this thing is so freaking nice. This has got to be the nicest M3 interior of all time. And honestly, it actually sounds really good. This generation M3 and M4 are not known for sounding good, but whatever they did with the exhaust, they did a good job. And there is Kyle's badass E60 M5. Those things look so clean next to each other. Roommate goals. Oh my God, it's so clean. Always great seeing your friends doing well. Super stoked for Isaac on the new whip. I'm actually gonna head to Avant-Garde Exotics. I'm kind of in the area. Figured I'd stop by and say what's up to the guys. Sick traffic, love it. Pulling up to Avant-Garde Exotics. Wow, it is a party out. We got the squad checking out the new whip. How's it going, dude?
Hey, what's up, man?
Good to see you. Oh, awkward as hell. We got Alex, what up? Mitch,
What's up?
What's up, dude? And frickin' Mark, what do you think, man?
You killed it, bro.
Thanks, dude.
How fun was it checking all the boxes?
Really fun. Until I withdrew from my bank account, then it wasn't.
Oh, wow.
Do you think the seats are comfortable?
Oh yeah, I mean, under like high G, I would totally bang my shoulders because it's too wide on the top, but the bottom.
Yeah, what? How much do you weigh? Like 80 pounds?
In my race suit with a helmet.
Mitch, how are you doing in the seats?
It's me just fine.
Yeah, dude, these seats are one size fits all. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I love it.
I would need to put like my shoulder pads on and hit this thing with like some line bags. Trofeo R's as delivered.
Yeah,
How far away from the house do you have to get before these tires come online?
really far.
Yeah.
Like laps around Stunt and Piuma.
Like-
Yeah. That's my one complaint with the car, honestly.
I think that, you know, for civilian, you just got, these things are too much for that.
By the time they're warm, they're bald.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't have the red light like the 720S. That they should have some ambient lighting in the engine bay.
I need some mood lighting.
Oh, I feel like I know people who could do that.
Totally. I think we have the good stuff.
The light gods.
Spare lights. Let's do just some Christmas lights, so just twinkles.
I'm down.
Twinkle lights.
So you were saying you're not a McLaren fan, but you approve of this one?
What could you fault, really? I mean,
Other than the front end looking a little bit too much like a 570S, nothing really.
but that implies that the 570 isn't a good looking car.
No, it is.
I love the way it looks. You know, I just want you to drive the shit out of it and put
Well,
some street
I
tires
have.
on it.
I need new tires for sure.
Yeah, I mean, not that these are bad, but these don't live that way.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try and capture the new car smell and sell it on eBay.
What? How much do you think that's worth?
It's priceless. If it works, I don't think there's.
Yeah, but what kind of smell is in the bag already? That looks disgusting. Oh, ugh.
That was Mark's last attempt of trying to bottle a smell.
I don't want to know what smell that was.
All right.
Okay.
You open it up real good, capture it all.
You know,
This is the strangest thing I've ever done at avant-garde. There we go. That was good.
that says a lot because we've done some pretty strange stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
That is officially.
You're gonna throw that up for sale on your Instagram.
But you gotta sign it though first.
That's officially.
You have to get a certificate.
All right, I'm down. Do you have a Sharpie?
We do.
Alex got an alignment, but he also got his freaking weight reduction surgery. Were you painting those black?
Yeah.
Nice.
We're all just getting rid of unnecessary equipment.
Take out the headlights too. This red carbon fiber looks freaking savage for the intake. Wow, that is loud. Those wheels are sick. Yeah, that's not quiet at all. Oh shit, this is a manual too? Damn. I will say there's nothing quite like a Lamborghini Murcielago V12, but the most expensive car in the entire lot is probably the Snap-on tool van. There is a reason why there's so many of these Mercies in here though. They're not the most reliable thing ever, but it's probably worth it. That's a badass license plate. I freaking love the Superleggera. This is such a good looking car, especially in this pearl white color. Spider Performante up on the rack. Garage Goals F12. This is one of the best sounding cars I have ever heard. You let me rev that in Beverly Hills. That was a blast. And then this Huracan, I'm not positive on the brand of these wheels, but they're the exact same style as the pure wheels that I had on my Gallardo. Loved the shape of them. Badass. Damn, check out these Lambo engines just sitting here. That is freaking epic. Just the pure size of the transmission and engine in the Countach is nuts. This thing is beautiful. I can't wait for this thing to go back together. Look at that. I have never seen the original Mercy key. That is, that's pretty underwhelming.
No, this is the underwhelming.
Oh, nice. On Instagram, straight flexing.
When you go to turn the ignition and it goes like this, but
Yeah.
the car doesn't actually turn.
Oh my god. Always fun hanging out with the guys over at Avant-Garde Exotics. Such a nice, funny group of people who know their shit about cars and how to get stuff done. Just talked to McLaren. Because there's no point of impact, there wasn't a rock chip. Apparently the crack is going to be covered on the windshield under warranty, so that is good news. I guess we'll see how long it takes to get a new windshield. All right guys, I'm gonna grab some dinner and head over to my buddy's house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Once again, congratulations, Isaac, on your sick new whip. Look forward to seeing you guys.